We've seen a fire truck and 2 ambulance heading back into Fuquay. We didn't see anything amiss the way we left town, so I don't know what's up. I didn't think too much about it until several minutes later a second ambulance headed that way. Hope everybody's okay. Yeah, we're pretty much supposed to have rain the whole day, although the chances and heaviness of it will be stronger this afternoon than this morning. Thank goodness it's Friday. I'm going to be hanging around town this morning to do a couple of things, and then meeting up with Johnny and the Beta Club to take the coats they collected in the coat drive over to WRAL for their Coats for the Children charity. They have raised over $200,000 already, plus the collected coats that folks can leave at area Jiffy Lubes. So it's a really big, you know, been going on every year for I don't know how long, but I would say 15 or 20 years charity. Because they work in coordination with the Salvation Army. And then tonight we have the Taekwondo holiday potluck dinner party. So it's going to be a full day. The PNC building, the one with the spire, the Christmas tree looking structure, it was lit up until a few minutes ago. I was really hoping to make it to one of the downtown parking decks and go take some pictures, but sadly it's now off. Guess it went off at 7:15 a.m. There's a nice calming light rain coming down. I've been sitting here at the Pokestop for a bit. If it gets any more relaxing, I'm going to be taking a nap here in the car. Staying downtown because I have a couple things I need to handle this morning. And like I said, then I'm back over at the school for 11 o'clock, let's just say 10:45, to go with Johnny and some of his school friends over to WRAL to drop off their coat donations. So it's just a busy morning and I'm hanging out. It's a horrible day to try to take any pictures in the city, but the capital city tree was lighting was last night, and it is lit here during the day today, which is pretty. So I've got 4 large bags worth of coats. I think it was 55 plus 17 total. It's a large number. I'm impressed. That's what I like to see. It's a little bit of a hike in. The bags are not tiny. It's a fabulous 43 degrees out there, and the rain really has been a gentle, steady rain all day today. I am headed home. My ETA is 12:40 p.m. I got to turn around at the very latest to get Johnny at 1:30 p.m. So I don't even have quite an hour to be home, but 'tis the season to stay busy. And there was just nothing else left for me to do downtown. So yeah, I didn't want to just sit in the school parking lot. It was nice seeing you for a few minutes.
A little busy girl, just little miss everywhere today.
I normally enjoy my afternoon drive back to downtown, no problem, but I have to admit that this is about the least enthused I've been about going back to downtown all school year.
Right, well, somebody has to stay home to get all the package deliveries. I mean, I've only went out twice in the rain today to get packages. I'm sure UPS
is due.
FedEx
oh, I'm expecting UPS. Has he not been here today?
Actually, I guess the lady in her truck, her personal car, was here, and she was wearing a brown uniform, so I think she was the UPS lady. But the post office has been here with packages in the UPS, but that doesn't mean the big brown truck won't be here too.
Right, or the mailman with the afternoon mail delivery. Right. Yeah. All right.
But below it all, she was just an 18-year-old girl that had been thrown into the worst possible situation. She'd known more grief in her short life than he ever had. It was for those reasons and more he didn't get it out. You have a right to be angry, but it doesn't change our situation. right, it doesn't. But I'm gonna find it.
We have a steady but reasonably light rain this afternoon. I have the auto wipers on the upper setting, the little dots that are closer together. They seem to have functioned just fine for me today. So, I don't know. All I could say is my experience today with the light rain is they've been good. Well, the wipers seem to be doing what they should be doing right now. I grabbed the camera though because they were going crazy and the rain, you know, they were going too fast for the rain. So and that's happened a couple times today too. So I don't know. I guess it's hard to tell between just right and too much. But they for sure, I would not call them horrible today. There are several times I wanted them to wipe and they hadn't wiped, and several times they were wiping more than I wanted them to wipe. So, work in progress, probably. Tonight didn't turn out how we thought it was going to turn out.
Yeah, I was gonna have forward to pigging out on all that high carb food.
Holiday food. Holiday food.
Right, yeah.
We're gonna have a
holiday food. That's
it was
right.
gonna have a break day.
Yeah, I was
A cheat day. A cheat day.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's right. I was gonna have a extraordinary, because let me tell you, they have it's the typical ratio: 5 desserts for every meal, very few vegetables, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Donnie.
That's
So the bottom line is Johnny wasn't feeling good.
Poor guy, I feel for him. He actually got threw up. So he really, I don't know. I feel for him. Yeah,
the thing is it just seems to have been an upset stomach on and off for days with not a lot of other symptoms. So we're perplexed. But anyway, so we didn't go to the Taekwondo holiday party.
Right.
The cupcakes are still out in the garage refrigerator. Maybe we're bringing them to track day.
Yeah, we probably have to.
And
I can't eat 24 cupcakes.
Well, not track day, but the event going on up at the track. I just woke up from a really long nap, so forgive me. I kind of crashed and burned trying to stay well. It's pouring out there, absolutely pouring. And unfortunately for Dawn, I left Ruby out, pointed in the right direction because we were headed back out.
That's right.
Only we didn't go. So now we need the mail, and Ruby needs to get put in the garage.
Yep.
Yeah, so that would be the end of our day. It's not, like I said, what we had planned.
Important things, we want Johnny to feel better.
Right, he looks better already.
Yeah, well,
but
he said after he started feeling better.
Well, that's typical, right?
Which is typical, that's right.
Yeah, so nothing about it.
Yeah, our basic concern was he's going to go up there and he's going to eat all that, and then he was going to get sick again. So we figured that was
Let's just skip that step.
Yeah, that's too taxing. So we all missed our holiday dinner.
These guys were in the garage when it was cold, but now, of course, it's raining, it's warmer, so they're here on the platform. And yeah, you can see the rain, and you can see Ruby. Hi, guys. I love you. Just don't want to get wet right now.